Hello and welcome back. DSD Plus Fastline. Do you know how to utilize? And what is DSD Plus Fastline? In this video I'll show you how to utilize the DSD Plus and what is DSD Plus. So DSD Plus is small and very powerful app or software which can decoding the digital radios such as DMR, P25, NXDN, ProVoice and much more. In this tutorial we'll take you step by step through the installation and setup, interface and menus, receiving, stacking frequency in the database, saving and utilizing the decoding data, optimization and troubleshooting. As you can see at your screens, the frequency it has been blurred. This is just because in the country where I'm not allowed to show in the public live streaming and frequencies. Also, all the voice to the DSD Plus Fastline, it will be passing to the voice changing, so none of the data will be visible. I do apologize about this, but we need to respect the law. Let's have a look at some signals.
North Greenwich, once you serve North Greenwich, going towards Stratford. When you're in that alleyway, instead of turning left Millennium Way, can you please turn right Millennium Way, and then left into Aldermont Crescent, left Tunnel Avenue, all the way down, and then swing round to the teardrop.
So this was a small example what is the DSD Plus and how to receiving. So you can receive the emergency and private calls, group calls, individual calls, and also data messages. This gonna be in the next few steps. To download your copy of DSD Plus, you just need to go into dsdplus.com. Open your favorite browser and just type dsdplus.com. Once you open the main page, just get in the downloads, download your DSD Plus, download your DLL files, your patches for the ASP if you're using one, FMPGA, download it also. Once you got your downloads, so you just start open it and just extracting. Just extract all the files into the new folder, and the name of the folder is gonna be DSD only. So this is the copy of your DSD Plus. Or to convert your files to DSD Plus Fastline, so you have to go back into the dsdplus.com website. On the first, where it say DSD Plus Fastline program, read more, just press them and just read all the statement. So what is this? This is how the Fastline how you can obtain your copy of the DSD Plus Fastline now. There was two ways to do so. One is the donation of 10 United States dollars, another one is 25 United States dollars. What's the difference? The first of the $10, it's for 1 year you're receiving your updates For $25 you're receiving the unlimited updates twice per year. So once you got there, you just read, pay a huge attention on the last note. It say if you're not including a comment, PayPal doesn't send a notification. This will delay your first line update. What this means, so you should, when you're sending the amount of the money to DSD Plus, you should post on the comment section your email address. Make sure your address is correct to get a fast answer from the DSD Plus. Usually it's take 2 to 3 days.